Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and Technical Elite is back with another video. And today we have with us the Boya BY-M1, the universal microphone जो सभी YouTubers के पास होता है and होना भी चाहिए, because this is really handy unless you want to use something like this which feels really awkward when you use it in front of the camera. And I think it's decent while capturing the voice and stuff, but I think this one's really handy, and if you are into vlogging and stuff, I think this would really get you started. And it just comes at a price of like 1,000 rupees, I think. Pehle it was like 800, but now it's become 1,000. Also, this is a condenser microphone, and if you want to know the working of it, you just gotta need to go to my previous video, which is somewhere linked up here in the I button. So click on that and you can go to the previous video. The specifications of the microphone that we have on the box is the transducer, which is an electrical condenser one, a polar pattern which is omnidirectional, frequency range of 65 Hz to 18 kHz, signal to noise ratio of 74 decibels, and sensitivity of -30 to +3 decibels as well. Output impedance of 1000 ohm and a connector of 3.5 mm, which is 1/6 of an inch. 4-pole gold plated. Obviously, battery type is always the LR44, and the dimensions are also given, and it weighs just over 2.5 grams. And the price mentioned on the packet is 1995, which is almost 2,000 bucks. If you want to check it out, please go down to the description. I will provide a link there. Please buy from that link. It helps the channel a lot. If you talk about the packaging and the physical overview of the box, it's a really good packaging, I would say. And it comes in a blue and a white combination with a photo of the product itself on the top of the box. As soon as we unbox it, we get a pouch for the microphone holder. It's a leather one in a black color, and it really looks really good. And now we have the warranty card. It's Shenzhen Jia's photo. I think it's a Chinese company. And what up next to we have is a manual which you can read if you don't know how to operate a simple microphone. But at the pouch, and it's a pretty good one with a Boya embossed on the top of it. Let's open it and see what else do we have inside. And as soon as we open this thing, we get a whole lot of things. And first up, we have the microphone itself. This is the power module where you gonna insert your battery. And this is the microphone, which is a cheap healing microphone, but it produces a really good sound quality. This is the foam windscreen and the 1/4-inch converter that we get inside the box. Let's open this. Let's say how's the quality of it. So this seems pretty decent. Along with that, we have the clothing clip. We also have the LR44 battery along with that, and the foam windscreen at last. The mic has the capsule wherein the battery goes into, and it switches between camera and a smartphone, which is also the off position. And then we have the cable, which is 6 meters long, along with the gold plated 3.5 mm TRRS. The quality of the microphone feels really cheap. It's completely made of plastic, and on the top we have the microphone grills wherein your voice gets captured, and it's pretty decent for if you're starting out and you're really early in your career where you want to use good audio source. Foam windscreen provided with the microphone feels decent enough, and it can really help you block all those S's and P's where you exhale the air, and it can really stop those things and you really get a better audio experience. We will now put the battery inside the power capsule, which will help us provide power to the condenser microphone that we have just got our hands. We got our battery into that compartment, and just we will put the cap back on and move on to the next section, which is the most important part of the video, which is the sound test. So hang on. So this is the time we test the sound of this, and currently the sound that you are hearing is from the microphone of the phone Really sounds cool, right? So this is right from the microphone that is present on my phone, which is the Oppo Reno, and now I will switch to the sound that is being recorded by this lapel microphone. And one more thing, that do not judge me on this because I don't know how to clip a lapel mic, so please do not judge. And so we are switching audio in 3, 2, 1. Yes, so this audio that you are hearing right now is directly recorded on my PC with this lapel microphone, which is the Boya BY-M1. Please let me know that if the surrounding noises are being captured. So I think the audio is pretty good right now, and I will not edit this audio in post. So please let me know if this audio sounds good to you. But there is a problem that I am facing right now with this microphone, that when I'm starting to record in my phone directly, it is not being recorded. I don't know why. I have tried different applications. I searched through the YouTube and they said that you have to do like install other applications like the Open Camera and RecForge 2 app. I tried with all of that, but since my phone has a Type-C cable, so I think that it is facing some issue with this microphone, which has a 3.5mm output. So be careful with that. If you want to directly record on your phone and you don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, Bhagwan bachaye yaar. Since I am not sure if this is the problem on my phone, because this works perfectly fine on my PC and other phones as well, but I had a phone where it has a 3.5mm jack. I tried it on that, but the noise is very much. I don't know why it is happening. This is it for today. I think you liked the video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and we will back with another video soon. And if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more notifications. Till then, see you, bye bye, and have a great day.